In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete all Snapchat messages at once. This is crucial for maintaining privacy and security, as it ensures that sensitive information, personal conversations, or confidential data are not accessible to others if your device or account is compromised. To do this, simply head to your Snapchat. In your chat section, if you want to clear all your conversations, simply tap on your profile icon at the left upper corner of your screen. You will then tap onto the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of privacy controls. Select Clear Data. Head to the first option of Clear Conversation Data. You will see all conversations that are displayed in your chat section. To clear all, simply tap on the X icon right here and select on Clear Conversation. All cleared conversations will disappear and your chat section will be conversation-free. That's how easy it is to delete all chats at once on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.